I know what you're thinking. This is kind of a weird way for me to start a video because I've never started a video like this before. But I needed to get into a couple channel housekeeping items before we get into today's video. I just wanted to preface this video by saying this is not how I prefer to film my videos. However, with having a newborn baby, a family that needs me, as well as a full-time job, this is the only way I can do it. I have to film it with my phone while I'm at work, while I'm rushing to get it done so that I can get out of work. I have maybe like 45 minutes on lunch and then an hour after work to actually film these videos, and then I have to fill in the blanks when I am at the house like this. So, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Be sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, comment down below. I know I'm supposed to do that at the end, but for all those reasons, I'd like to go full-time on YouTube. I just can't really do that right now, so these are the types of videos that I get to make. I hope you enjoy them. It's finally snowing! What's going on, guys? When I was editing the video for the Endlinks, essentially my biggest tip is to just make sure that you hit everything with some form of penetrating lubricant or like some rust buster or something of that sort. You want to make sure that the Endlinks are lubricated properly before you install them, or you can do it afterwards. I prefer before. That's just how I did it, and then everything gets torqued to 90 foot-pounds. It's really not that difficult. The hardest part was getting the nuts off of the factory Endlinks. Aside from that, it's a pretty easy job, and it made a huge difference. Mind you, I do have 115,000 miles on this Jeep, and it really needed the Endlinks to begin with, but a case can be made that these would be very helpful for somebody who has Endlinks that aren't getting ready to fail. So, I hope everybody had a wonderful New Year's. I hope you stayed out of trouble and you didn't drink too much. We finally got snow as of December 31st, 2021. We didn't have any snow accumulation prior to that. The Endlinks are installed. I would highly recommend them. I can tell a difference. I really enjoy being able to go down a bumpy road and not hear like this minor clunk coming from that sway bar, because essentially what it does is the sway bar prevents the car from rolling left and right. So when you're going through a corner, essentially it prevents body roll. Until the next video, guys, Happy New Year. I really appreciate you sticking around. Hit the like button, leave your comment in the section below. And what I can say about the BWOODY Endlinks is that if you need any other suspension components from them, I would highly recommend it. The build quality seemed really, really good, and all the finishes looked nice, all the hardware, just everything. And then the instructions that came with it were, you know, really detailed and made it easy to install. So, until the next video, later. Peace.